Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with nerve damage and looking for natural ways to support your recovery, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 9 incredible drinks to repair nerve damage, a topic that's crucial for anyone seeking to improve their nerve health and overall well-being. Whether you're dealing with neuropathy, recovering from an injury, or simply aiming to enhance your nervous system function, this video is packed with valuable insights and practical solutions just for you. Imagine sipping on a refreshing drink that not only satisfies your thirst but also aids in nerve repair and supports your journey to better health. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we're going to explore 9 incredible drinks that can help with nerve repair, each with unique benefits to boost your recovery and overall health. We understand that dealing with nerve damage can be frustrating and challenging. Pain, numbness, and tingling can impact your daily life, making it hard to focus on things you enjoy. But don't worry, we're here to help. By incorporating these nutrient-rich drinks into your routine, you can support your nerve health and work towards a more comfortable and healthier life. Here's a quick rundown of what you can expect in today's video. We'll start with the first drink and go through each one in detail, explaining the key ingredients and how they contribute to nerve repair. We'll also provide you with practical tips on how to prepare these drinks so you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Let's get started with our first drink. First up is turmeric golden milk, a powerful anti-inflammatory drink. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to support nerve health and reduce inflammation. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients: 1 cup of almond milk or any milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey. Optional instructions: heat the milk in a saucepan over medium heat, add turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon, stir well until all ingredients are mixed, sweeten with honey if desired. Pour into a mug and enjoy. Our second drink is a green smoothie packed with vitamins and minerals. It's rich in antioxidants and can help support nerve repair. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, a ½ cup of kale, 1 banana, a ½ cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, pour into a glass and enjoy. Next, we have beet juice, known for its high content of nitrates, which improve blood flow and support nerve function. Ingredients: 2 medium beets, peeled and chopped, 1 apple, 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Instructions: juice the beets, apple, and carrot in a juicer, add lemon juice and stir well. Serve chilled. Bone broth is our fourth drink. It's rich in collagen and amino acids that support nerve repair and overall health. Ingredients: 1 gallon of water to -3 pounds of beef or chicken bones, 1 onion, chop 2 carrots, chop 2 celery stalks, chop 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: place bones in a large pot and cover with water, add vinegar and let sit for 30 minutes, add vegetables and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 24–48 hours, strain and enjoy. Matcha tea is a great option for boosting your energy and supporting nerve health with its high antioxidant content. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of honey. Optional instructions: whisk matcha powder into hot water until frothy, sweeten with honey if desired, enjoy warm. Pomegranate juice is packed with antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Ingredients: 1 cup of pomegranate juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Instructions: mix the pomegranate juice with lemon juice, serve chilled. Ginger lemon tea is perfect for reducing inflammation and supporting nerve health. Ingredients: 1 inch of fresh ginger, sliced, 1 lemon, sliced, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. Optional instructions: boil water with ginger and lemon slices for 10 minutes, strain into a cup and add honey if desired, enjoy warm. Aloe vera juice can soothe the digestive system and help in nerve recovery. Ingredients: a ½ cup of aloe vera juice, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of honey. Optional instructions: mix aloe vera juice with coconut water, sweeten with honey if desired, serve chilled. Finally, we have the apple cider vinegar drink, known for its health benefits including nerve support. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. Optional instructions: mix apple cider vinegar with water, sweeten with honey if desired, drink before meals. Apple cider vinegar can help improve circulation and reduce nerve pain. Let's quickly recap the 9 incredible drinks we covered today. Each of these drinks offers unique benefits for supporting nerve health and overall well-being. From turmeric golden milk to apple cider vinegar drink, incorporating these into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your recovery journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. For more detailed guides and resources, check out the links in the description. And if you want to learn about more ways to support your health, check out these videos right here. Thank you for watching, and remember, every small step counts towards a healthier you. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and hydrated.